Hey, my name is Santiago Ramirez. I'm from Colombia, and I've been in Austin since September of 2018. The car that I brought in today to Authentic Details is my 2017 Widebody RS7 Performance Edition. The modifications that the car has today is a Prior Design Widebody Kit, cold air intake, exhaust dumps. My biggest investment has been the Avant Garde luxury wheels. Obviously, because of the Widebody Kit, the wheels needed to be, a special offset to accommodate for the fender flares that are popping out. The PPF package that I've chosen here is going to be the track package, which basically encompasses the entire front body of the car, the side view mirrors, the lower rockers on each side, but more importantly, we're getting the customization to encompass the fender flares of the wide body kit, which tend to get the most rock chips from the road. The reason I chose Authentic Details was due to their personalization. I first got in touch with the owner, Brad McRae, over Instagram when I saw just a random post come through. When I sent him a DM, he immediately responded. I was actually pretty excited about just having the vehicle in here to take a look at it. He walked me through the process that we'd be going through. He was the only person that told me, hey, why don't you come on in, we'll show you how to properly wash the vehicle after the fact, we'll show you what we're doing. The reason why I chose Authentic Details is due to the level of professionalism that they bring to the table, the embodiment of car culture that they have, and the personalization to each individual client and their needs. Amazing. I'm super satisfied with these results. I mean, all the work that's been put into this car is incredible. The fact that the PPF, you can barely tell it's there, even when you're up close. All the extra touches, like the carbon fiber on the side pillars, the dark tint on the front headlights, the rear taillights. I mean, I'm just blown away by the work that these guys have done on my car. It's amazing. If there's anybody out there looking to get work done on their car, please go to Authentic Details. These guys do it right. They take care of you, very personalized touch, and you're gonna be so happy with the results, just like I am.